Hello students, this is Dinesh sir. Today I am going to explain about first chapter of standard 9 mathematics, number systems. In our earlier classes you have studied about the number line and the representation of various types of numbers on the number line. In this chapter we will study rational numbers as recurring or terminating a decimal and the existence of irrational numbers such as root 3, root 2, root 5 and their representation on number line. Students, let us recall natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Natural numbers, a collection of counting numbers are called collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers. And it is denoted by capital N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinite. Okay, now second term is a whole number. A collection of counting numbers with 0 is called a collection of natural numbers and 0 together are called whole numbers, which is denoted by capital W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot. Next one, integers. Integers, the collection of negative numbers, the positive numbers and 0 together are called the collection of negative numbers positive numbers and 0 together are called integers, and it is denoted by capital Z. Z is equals to ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 ... Now rational numbers. a number r is called rational number if it can be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not is equals to 0. For examples, minus 10, 0, 5 upon 7, etc. are the examples of rational numbers. Next topic is rational number between Now let us see how to find out rational numbers between given another rational numbers. For that, we have two important results. Result number 1. Let x and y be two rational numbers. Therefore, a rational number lying between x and y will be obtained by 1/2 of x plus y. Result number 2. Let x and y be two rational numbers for finding n rational numbers between x and y, let small d is equals to y minus x divided by n plus 1, where x and y be two any rational numbers and n is number of rational numbers between x and y. Then n rational numbers between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, comma x plus 3d dot 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 comma x plus n and d. Now let us see. Now let us take some examples to finding out the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Example number 1. Find 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Refer first result. Let x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. First rational number is equals to 1 upon 2 x plus y is equals to 1 upon 2 1 plus 2 1 upon 2 3 is equals to 3 upon 2. This is first rational number. Now x is equals to 3 upon 2, y will be remain same. Second rational number is equals to x plus y upon 2. We have x is equals to 3 upon 2 plus y is equals to 2 whole divided by 2. 3 is taking cross multiplication, so 3 plus 4 upon 2 whole divided by 2 is equals to 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 is second rational number between 1 and 2. Third, let x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 7 upon 4 and y is equals to 2. Third rational number, again write down the formula, that is x plus y upon 2. Now replacing values of x and y, we have x is equals to 7 upon 4 plus y is equals to 2 whole divided by 2. Again taking cross multiplication, 7 plus 4 to the 8 whole upon 4 whole divided by 2 is equals to 7 plus 8 15 upon 4 upon 2 is equals to 15 upon 8. So 3 upon 2 comma 7 upon 4 comma 15 upon 8 are 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2. One more example. Second example. Find 3 rational number between -2 and 5. Find 3 rational numbers between -2 and 5. We will follow second result, that x is equals to -2 and y is equals to 5. So first of all find out d. We know that d is equals to y minus x divided by n plus 1, right? So we have y is equals to 5 minus x is equals to minus 2 upon n is equals to 3 plus 1. So 5 plus 2 upon 4 is equals to 7 upon 4. Now, three rational numbers between minus 2 and 5 are x plus d, second x plus 2d, and third is x plus 3d. Now replacing the values of x and d. So first rational is x is we have minus 2 plus d is how much? 7 upon 4. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 7 upon 4 is equals to minus 8 plus 7 means minus 1 upon 4. Second, minus 2 plus 2 into d how much? 7 upon 4, comma, minus 2 plus 2 to cancel, minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. So taking cross multiplication, so minus 4 plus 7 upon 2, so 3 upon 2. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3 upon 2. Third number is x is equals to again minus 2 plus 3, d we have 7 upon 4. So minus 2 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 4. Cross multiplication, 4 to the 8, minus 8 plus 21 upon 4. So 21 minus 8 is 13 upon 4. Hence, minus 1 upon 4, comma, 3 by 2 and 13 upon 4 are three rational numbers. Between minus 2 and 5. Students, let us start exercise 1.1. First question is given. Question number 1. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write 0 as in the form p upon q, where q and p are integers and q is not equal to 0? Question number 1. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0? Students, yes, we can write 0 in the form of p upon q. So 0 is a rational number, right? 0 is equals to 0 upon 1, 0 upon 10, 0 upon minus 9, etc. So 0 is a rational number because we can write it in the form of P upon Q. Second question, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and -4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, well, let us refer second result. Let x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. Okay. Find out D. N is equals to 6. So D is equals to y minus x upon n plus 1 is equals to y is equals to 4 minus 3 upon 6 plus 1. 4 minus 3 1, 6 plus 1 7. So D is equals to 1 upon 7. Now we will find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Since 6 rational numbers between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d, x plus 6d. So 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are, therefore 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 3 plus 1 upon 7, 3 plus 2 upon 7, 33 plus 3 upon 7, 3 plus 4 upon 7, 3 plus 5 upon 7, 6 is 3 plus 6 upon 7. Therefore 22 upon 7 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7 are 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. Find 5 rational numbers three upon 5 and 4/5. Here x is equals to 3/5 and y is equals to 4/5. Let multiply and divide x and y by 10. We get x is equals to 30/50 and y is equals to 40/50. Therefore, now write down the numbers lying between 30/50 and 40/50. These are the 31/50, 32/50, 33/50, 34/50, 35/50 are five rational numbers. Between 3/5 and 4/5. Students, let us start question number 4. True or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answers. First question is, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. Students, this statement is true, right? Because the collection of all natural numbers in 0 is called whole number. By definition of whole number, we can say that every natural number is a whole number. Second question, every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. This statement is false, right? Because integer is minus 1 minus 2 are non-whole numbers. Right. So every integers are not whole numbers. This statement is false. Right. Third statement is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is every rational number is a whole number. This statement is also false because this statement is also false because rational number pi upon 3 is not a whole number. Okay, students, this is all about today's session. Okay, thank you so much.